So we are showing our comments according to every single post, and everything related to comments on our CMS admin panel has been completed. But one thing left, and that is on showing the comments view on the public page. For example, on this blog page, I'm on my blog.php page. Here, when we are fetching our post, I added this default text of comments 20 like this on every single post. Now we have learned everything about comments. So in this movie, I will change this comments 20 to the dynamic form so that every single post on the public view will have actual comment from the table. So opening this file of blog.php, going into that section. So right here on line 100, you can see we have this comments 20. So it's time I can make it into a more dynamic form. So you can see I have this post ID. So I can simply call this function of approve comments according to post, and I can pass the post ID here. So on this blog.php file right here, instead of 20, I will add one PHP scope, and then I can call my function of approve comments according to post, and I can send this post ID. So I can equal it with one variable total, and then I can echo that variable, or I can simply echo this function call. So if I save this one and refresh my page, see comments 1, this post has comments 3, and we can also confirm it here. We have 3 comments, and the reason why you are seeing this comments 20 here, it's just because of the text on this page of full post.php. So let's remove that text. So full post, going in the comment section. Now removing this whole span because we are showing our actual comments on that page, so we don't have to show the text. Saving this one. If I refresh this page of full post, that's not here anymore. So let's go back. So this post has one comment. Click read more, and here is one comment. And also, if you can notice on this blog page, I'm just showing my name of the person, the admin name, and I'm not showing the category here. So let's add the category variable here. On my blog.php, you can see I'm fetching my category. So right before this written by, I will add category, and I will put the category in form of a PHP scope, and I have to echo it. So saving this one, refreshing my page, see this category. Let's add one more space. Let's add and here. In order to make this information prominent, I can add the span tag on it, and the bootstrap class will be text dash dark. So wrapping up first this category, refreshing my page, see this one is prominent. So same like this, I can wrap up the name of my admin, adding the ending span here. So if I refresh this page, you can see technology is a bit more brighter, written by Jazib on January 14, 2019. So let's also add that span on my date. Inside this course, whenever you are showing something, must apply the HTML entities function. So saving this one, refreshing this page, see, better. So I will copy this whole small tag and let's open fullpost.php and replace this small tag with the copied one like this. So clicking read more, here you can see we have the highlighted category, name of the admin, and the date and time.